Hi everyone. If you want to add developer ribbon tab to your interface, what should you do? Well, this take us to learn a new feature and a new technique about customization, interface customization in Microsoft Excel. So, we will learn today an important thing. It's about customize the ribbons. You can right click on any ribbon group and select customize the ribbon, or you can use file, more, options, and select customize ribbon. So this is all ribbons in Excel. In the previous lecture we have learned to use quick access toolbar, and we have learned to add or remove any command in quick access toolbar. And there are several commands in quick access toolbar such as save, undo, redo, and open. Now we want to answer the question, this question, how to add developer ribbon. So we will use customize ribbon. So customize ribbon have main tabs and all tabs and tool tabs. From main tabs you can add or remove any ribbon tab by check or uncheck in this tab. For example, if you want to delete all tabs in the tab toolbar, you can just uncheck on them. So if you uncheck insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view, add-ins, help, home, and click OK. So no tabs here. All tabs are disappeared. If you want to add this tab again, file, more, options, customize ribbon, and check all these tabs. Here is. But the question is, how can I add developer tab to my tab ribbons? Right click from here, customize ribbon, or file, more, options, customize ribbon, and check on developer, this developer tab. Okay, here is developer tab, and we will discuss this tab in detail in the advanced stage of this course. Well, what about customize ribbon? What about the other features and the other options in customize ribbon? So you can make a new tab by adding new tab and rename this tab. I can rename it by smarter. Okay, and you can rename also new tab by smarter tab. So I have created a new tab called smarter tab and new ribbon group called smarter, and I can add any command I want to use. So if I want to add fill color to this ribbon group, just add fill color. I can add for example borders, add. I want to add also save, add. So I make a new tab with a new ribbon group with a new 3 common used commands based on my using Microsoft Excel, and these commands are fill color, borders, save. Okay, so this is our new tab, smarter tab, and this is our new ribbon group, smarter, and this is the selected commands here we have selected from customize ribbon. And By this way, I can change all the interface and all the default interface of Microsoft Excel by adding and removes, commands, tabs, ribbons. This is customization, great customization. I can reformulate all this interface based on my use. And this is the power of ribbon customization. Okay, this is popular commands, and this is all commands. This is commands not in the ribbon. This is macro commands, and this is file tab, and this is all tabs, and this is main tabs, and this tool tabs, and customize tab and group. So it's powerful. Moreover, what if I want to save this theme or this customization? Can I save them or import them to a file? And can I use the theme again to automatically import it to another Excel sheet? Of course, you can save this theme by export all customization. You will export all customization file to your desktop, for example, and do save. Okay, so this file have the customized ribbons based on your use. You can import this customization to any other Excel sheet, to any other personal computer. So just go to Excel, right click, customize the ribbon, and import this customization, import customization file, desktop, and select and open. Replace all existing ribbon and quick access toolbar customization for this program. Yes, if you do, if you click yes, then you have imported this customization. This is about customize ribbon. This is about how to reformulate and reinvent the Excel interface and use the common commands based on your own usage. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.